For our integrated learning strategy, we did station rotation. So with the station rotation, students will go through each slide and complete the activity for each slide. This will help them complete their learning activity. So ours is about learning about culture and their culture in general. So for station 1, they'd watch this video to learn about what culture means and what might it mean to them. After watching that video, they're going to brainstorm about their own culture using this worksheet. They can write or draw pictures, insert pictures. So for example, this one says my favorite tradition, my favorite food to eat. So they can draw their favorite food to eat from their culture, or insert a picture or draw a sentence for each one, their choice. This is just giving them a step-by-step if they do not have a printer at home. Here's a video that can guide them to create a template like this where they just need a pen or a pencil and to write out the worksheet. This is a completed student example. So this is our Adobe Spark video that we created. They'll be watching this video so they can give a reference to what they will be making. This station 4, this tells them that they will be making Adobe Spark video, and it says the information that they need to include in their video. This is a link for them to go to Adobe Spark. This is how to get to the template. So after they have gone to Adobe Spark, it shows them how to get to a hero's journey template. And for station 5, after they have uploaded their video, and they can view other students' video about their culture. They're going to compare their culture to another student's culture, their likes and differences. And this is part of station 5. This is just another video if they don't have a printer at home, how they can create the worksheet with just a pen, a pencil, and paper at home. And station 6, they're going to self-evaluate themselves to see if they completed all the necessary steps in the station rotation to complete their All About My Culture activity. So this station rotation will help guide them through each necessary step in order to create their Adobe Spark video and compare their culture with other students' culture.